This game is called sound effects. Okay? Y'all don't shut y'all's asses up and listen.
I tell y'all to stop complimenting each other.
Sound effects. Alright? Two comics are going to be acting out a scene. While they're acting out a scene, you're going to do the sound effects. Because you volunteered, you're going first. Okay? I need you to stop swaying. Okay? I need you to fucking focus. Alright, so you're going to do the sound effects. So we say, oh shit, listen, they shooting. Listen to the gunshots.
Did y'all hear her run out of breath on the third shot? I think we should get somebody else.
I think she's pretty good. Everybody lay down on the ground. Everybody lay down. She added just the real sound effect. She was the gunshot and the shootee. I mean, she was the gunshot and the person getting shot. She's talented.
All right, it's simple. Okay? Drankins and I are going to be on a trip to Wakanda. And Drankins is actually introducing me to his family in Wakanda. Bean, I need you to come over on this way so you can be a coach. Thank you. I need you to step down right here on this area right there. Step down right over there. Come on. Yep, step right down over there. Okay.
Yeah, she's been waiting on this all her life. Get out, big stand yourself! Bitch, I'm gonna go to the show, they gonna play a game, I'm gonna do that shit, bitch. I'm for real, watch, I've been YouTubing they show.
Hey.
Get on the ground!
Can I get an action on action on 3?
What the fuck? Sorry.
1, 2, 3.
Action! My dear cousin, welcome to my country. It is very beautiful here. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Look at all the animals. Listen to the lions. Oh, wow, the lion.
Wakanda.
The lion.
Wakanda.
The lion. The lion. Why do the lion? Why do the lions here sound like pit bulls? No, my brother. We gave our lions here vibranium, therefore they can talk. They actually can say Wakanda. Oh, that is very interesting, my brother. Yes. Let us speak back to the lion. Hey, lion.
Yes. Technology.
Also, I must tell you that our lions are transsexual. At this time, I would like to talk to another animal. Yes, or better yet, this is my cousin Ongufu On.
Hi.
Why are we the only ones with accents here?
Hello. I have an accent also.
He is African, but he lives in Asia. He is African. Yes, he's African.
Well, hello. Would you like some general tussle?
Did she pronounce it T in general, sir? Wait. Where have you brought me to, cousin? Cousin, wait, cousin, where have you brought me to? Cut!
Alright, yep.
Number one, her lion sounded like a shit. And did she say General Sos? Did she say General Sos? Did you pronounce the T? You talking about the Chinese food, right? So do you call it General Tussauds? And that's what you're telling me right now in front of all these people. Is that when you order it and they say 10 minutes, you say General Tussauds. And y'all pick her?
Clap it up one time for the birthday girl, y'all.